Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on extracting data from HTML with BeautifulSoup. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. Web scraping is an important technique that is widely used as the first step in many workflows in data mining, information retrieval, and text-based machine learning. In this course, you will gain the ability to build robust, maintainable web scraping solutions using the BeautifulSoup library in Python. First, you will learn how regular expressions can be used to scrape web content and how BeautifulSoup does better in important ways. Next, you will discover how BeautifulSoup parses HTML from web content, fixes up badly formed tags, and builds a clean, easily traversable parse tree. You will then see how that parse tree can be used in order to find and retrieve specific patterns. Finally, you'll round out your knowledge by leveraging advanced features of BeautifulSoup, such as working with CSS and XPath. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to implement robust web scraping using BeautifulSoup.